Hi students, how are you? Welcome to my channel Doctor's Physics, and in this video we are going to study about the Rain Man problems and its corresponding concept. We will start from the basics and we will increase the level slowly, and by the end of the video I will make sure that you can solve any type of problems in these models. Confirm 100%. So before starting this video, if you want a clear clarity, please have a look on my riverboat problems. The same concept we are going to use here, no change. A very slight difference, that's all. Okay, we'll start the class. The Rain Man problems. First of all, we will see for 5 minutes, we will see the concept and then we will go for the problems. Okay, now see here, where Vm is the velocity of man, where Vm is the velocity of man, that means if we are standing on the ground, you will feel as if the man is walking with this speed, that is velocity of man, or simply I can say this velocity of man with respect to ground. That means whenever the observer is on the ground, he will feel as if the man is walking with this speed. Okay, well and good. Now Vr, what is Vr? Velocity of frame, well and good. Now what is VRM? This is important. What is VRM? What is VRM? This is the velocity of frame with respect to the man. Velocity of frame with respect to the man. That means I am going on a motorbike, okay, with some speed. What is the speed? Vm. And the rain is falling down with a velocity Vm, okay, Vr, that is velocity of rain. Now when I am going on slowly, when I am standing here, my velocity is 0. How I will feel the rain? I will feel the rain as if the rain is falling vertically. Well and good. Now when I am going slowly, going on a bike, I am slowly increasing the velocity of the bike. Now what will happen? You will feel as if, I think it's a practical example, I think everyone has observed it. When you are increasing the speed of the bike, you will feel as if the rain is coming in this direction. Everyone will accept that. Actually, the rain is falling vertically, but you will feel as if your speed is increasing. When your speed is increasing, you will feel as if the rain is falling in this direction. That is nothing but the velocity of rain with respect to the man. That means I am the man. I will feel as if the rain is falling in this direction. If I further increase the speed, I will feel as if the rain is falling in this direction. Now how to solve this type of problems? Now this is important. Now see here, very important. This is velocity of man in this direction. The man is moving in that direction. Okay, well and good. And the rain is, what is the rain? This is the velocity of rain vertically downwards. Now what is Vrm? The velocity of rain with respect to man. That means what is this? Vr bar minus Vm bar. Now how can I write this? I can write this one as Vr bar plus minus Vm bar. I am converting this minus Vm bar like this. Both are same. For simplicity I am converting like this. That means the Vrm is nothing but the resultant of Vr and minus Vm, not Vm. It is minus Vm. If Vm is in that direction, same in which direction the minus Vm will be? Same. Yeah, exactly right. The minus Vm will be in this direction. Opposite direction. This is minus Vm. Now what is Vrm? Vrm is a resultant of Vr and minus Vm. If two vectors are like this, A bar and this is B bar, and the C bar is nothing but A bar plus B bar. Now same it. Where C bar is a resultant of A bar and B bar. In which direction the C bar will be? Same, you know it. Exactly right. The C bar will be in this direction. Will you accept that? Right. The same way, what is the direction of Vrm? The direction of Vrm will be in this direction. This is the velocity of rain with respect to man. That means the man will feel as if the rain is falling in this direction. The man will feel as if the rain is falling in this direction. Actually, the rain is falling vertically only. But whenever he is moving with speed, then you will feel as if the rain is falling in this direction. Now further, if I am increasing the A, the magnitude of A is increasing. What we know? The resultant will be always closer to the bigger magnitude. Will you accept that? That means if the A is continuously increasing, then the resultant C bar will be slowly moving towards the A like this. Will you accept that? Whenever the magnitude of A is increasing, then the C bar, the resultant will be slowly increasing towards A. That means always the resultant will be nearer to the bigger in magnitude. The vector which is in more magnitude, the resultant will be nearer to that. Now if Vm is increasing, now what will happen to this one, Vrm? This will be slowly moving upwards. That means as if you are increasing the speed of the bike, then you will feel as if the rain is falling. Assume initially it is falling at 45 degrees. Now further if you increase the speed, then you will feel as if the rain is falling in this direction. Further if you increase the speed, you will feel as if the rain is falling in this direction horizontally. That means as your speed of the bike is increasing, that means the speed of the man is increasing, the man will feel, how the man will feel? The man will feel as if the rain is falling in this direction. Now slowly the velocity of the direction will be slowly moving like this. The more the speed, the more slanting you will see the rain. That is the point. I think it is clear. Now, assume this is an angle alpha. What is alpha? Where alpha is the angle made by the rain. That is nothing but Vrm with the man. That means Vrm is making some angle alpha with the Vm, with horizontal like this. With horizontal, what is angle made? Alpha. That means a person will feel as if the rain is falling with an angle alpha with horizontal. That is important. Now what is alpha? Tan alpha is equal to, now here if it is alpha, now say me what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to perpendicular by base, that is B by A. Same way, tan alpha is equal to how much? Velocity of rain by velocity of man. Exactly right. That is right. That is tan alpha is equal to Vr by Vm. If they don't find with the vertical, that is beta. If they don't find the angle made by the resultant of this one, that means rain with respect to man with vertical, that is beta. What is tan beta? Tan beta, you say me. What is tan beta? Yeah, exactly right. What is tan beta? Vm by Vr. Tan beta is equal to perpendicular by base, that is Vm by Vr. Tan alpha is equal to Vm by Vm. This is very important. If you understand this, then we can start the problems. I think it is clear. It's very simple. Very, very, very simple. Okay, we'll start the problems. We'll see 3 or 4 problems and I will make sure that you will understand everything by end of the video. Okay? Okay now. See here. First problem. The rain is falling vertically. The rain is falling vertically with speed 10 meters per second. What is the speed of the rain? The rain is falling vertically downwards with the speed 10 meters per second. And now, the man is moving with a speed 10 meters per second. The man also is moving on a bike with a speed how much? 10 meters per second. Now, they told to find the angle made by the umbrella for not to drench. For not to drench. What is the meaning of drench? Simply wetting. I don't want to become wet. Therefore, in which direction I have to keep my umbrella? That is the question. Now they want to find again second point. The magnitude of VR. That is the question. Now same here, this is very simple. So first of all, draw the diagrams. Now the velocity of man this direction, well and good. That is nothing but 10 meters per second. Now the velocity of rain vertically downwards, that is VR, vertically downwards. What is speed? 10 meters per second. Now what is the direction? Now what is VRM? The velocity of rain with respect to man. What is that? VR minus VM bar. I think you understood this. Well and good. Now what is VR? 10 meters per second downwards. That means 10. What is the direction? Downwards means which direction? Minus J. Exactly right. Minus. What is the velocity of man? Moving that direction. Therefore 10 I cap. Therefore finally what I got? Minus 10 I cap minus 10 J cap. That is the velocity of rain. Now what is the rain with respect to man? What is the magnitude? Now what is the magnitude? The magnitude is root of minus 10 whole square plus minus 10 whole square. That is nothing but 10 square plus 10 square. That is nothing but 10 root 2 meters per second. That means the rain is falling with 10 meters per second only. But the man will feel. As if the rain is coming with a speed 10 root 2 meters per second. The man will feel as if the rain is coming with a speed 10 root 2 meters per second. That is the magnitude. What's the direction? If you want to find the direction, now say if this Vm, this is minus Vm, this is the velocity of rain with respect to man. Everyone will accept that? Now if I don't want to become wet, in which direction I have to keep the umbrella? Say me. If I don't want to become wet, in which direction I have to keep the umbrella? I should not keep the umbrella like this. I should keep the umbrella in this direction, like this. Like this. If this is ism alpha. Now say me. This is the umbrella. Right? I have to keep the umbrella in this direction. Instead of if I am not getting wet, I should keep the umbrella in this direction. Therefore, say me. If this is alpha, now what is this angle? Alpha. We will accept that. If this is alpha, this is also alpha, alternate angles. Therefore, what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to 10 by 10. If it is 10 by 10, what is the angle? 1. Therefore, what is alpha? When the tan will be 1? When alpha is equal to 45 degrees. That means, what is alpha now? 45 degrees. Therefore, what is the direction? The person has to keep umbrella in which direction? The person has to keep the umbrella in which direction? He has to keep with an angle alpha with horizontal. Right? Therefore, the person has to keep the umbrella with 45 degrees with horizontal. Then only he can escape from getting wet. I think it is clear. The rain is falling in this direction. What is the angle made? 45 degrees. Therefore, in which direction I have to keep the umbrella? I have to keep the umbrella in an angle 45 degrees with the horizontal. If they don't find with the vertical, if it is beta, then this will be beta. Now what is tan beta? Tan beta is also equal to 10 by 10. Therefore, nothing but 1. Therefore, what is beta? Beta is also 45 degrees. Therefore, what I can write? 45 degrees with horizontal or 45 degrees with vertical. That is the thing. I think this question is very, very clear. First of all, I got the magnitude. What is VRM? VRM is nothing but VR minus VM. Therefore, I got as minus 10 I cap minus 10 J cap. Now, what is the magnitude? Magnitude is nothing but root of 10 square plus 10 square. There is nothing but 10 root 2 meters per second. Well and good. Now, what is the direction? How I will feel the rain is falling? I will feel as if the rain is falling in this direction. What an angle? Angle made is 45 degrees. So, in order not to get wet, in which direction I have to keep the umbrella? Like this. That means with horizontal how much? With horizontal it is making 45 degrees. Or even with vertical also it is making 45 degrees. I think this question is clear. Can we go to the next question? Exactly right. Thank you. We'll go to the next question. Okay, now we'll see the second question. It's a very important question. See here. The velocity of man the velocity of man is equal to 5 meters per second in each direction. The velocity of man is how much? 5 meters per second in each direction. And now he feels. How he feels? He feels the rain is falling. He feels the rain is falling at an angle 45 degrees with horizontal. He feels as if the rain is falling with an angle 45 degrees with horizontal and with magnitude, with a speed of how much? The speed of 5 root 2 meters per second. What is the meaning of it? Say me. What's the meaning of it? The man is moving with a speed 5 meters per second. Okay, well and good. And he is feeling as if the rain is falling at an angle 45 degrees. Exactly right. Now what's the magnitude of the rain he is feeling? He is feeling as if the rain is falling with a speed 5 root 2 meters per second. Now they told to find the velocity of rain and its direction. The velocity of rain and its direction. That is the thing they told to find. Now same. This is the velocity of man towards east like this. What is speed? 5 meters per second. Now the velocity of minus Vm is nothing but this side minus, same magnitude will be same. The magnitude won't change, only the direction is changing. That is 5 meters per second. Exactly right. Now how he is feeling? He is feeling as if it is making angle 45 degrees with horizontal. That means this is the velocity of rain with respect to man. How much angle it is making? With horizontal it is making 45 degrees. Now what is magnitude? They told 5 root 2 meters per second. That is the thing they told. Now what is the direction of, what is the magnitude of velocity of rain? Say it. Think. What is the direction of rain and what will be the magnitude of the rain? You can think. Say me. What is tan alpha? Already we have seen this. This is velocity of rain with respect to man. This is Vm. Now if it is Vr, now this is alpha. Now what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to Vr by Vm. Will you accept that? Tan alpha is equal to Vr by Vm. Now they told alpha is how much? Alpha is 45 degrees. Therefore, if it is tan 45, what is the meaning? Tan 45 is 1. Therefore, what is the meaning? The magnitude of rain is equal to the magnitude of man. What is the speed of the man? With the same speed, the rain is falling downwards. Therefore, I can assume this is the velocity of rain vertically. What is the magnitude? What is the magnitude? When both the magnitudes are same, then only it will make 45 degrees. Then only the tan alpha will become how much? Vr by Vm. Therefore, what is the tan alpha? Tan 45. Tan 45 is nothing but 1. Therefore, the magnitude of Vr is nothing but magnitude of Vm. Therefore, what is the magnitude of velocity of man? 5. Therefore, what must be the magnitude of rain? 5 meters per second. Now we can conclude that. Now, what is the resultant of rain with respect to man? Root of 5 square. What is the resultant of man? That is nothing but root of Vr square plus Vm square. Therefore, root of 5 square plus 5 square. There is nothing but 5 root 2. Even they give 5 root 2. Therefore, confirm. What we concluded? Now I concluded that the rain is falling vertically. Right? What is the speed of the rain? The speed of the rain is 5 meters per second. I think it is clear. Okay, now second point. B bit. Now what happened? Now the speed of the man is increased by speed. How much? Now the speed of the man is increased to 5 root 3 meters per second. Now what happened? Now the man has increased his speed to how much? 5 root 3 meters per second. Now they have to find the magnitude of velocity of train with respect to man and its direction. And its direction. Now, same. This is the velocity of train. That is the velocity of train. What is the velocity of train we got? The velocity of train we got as 5 meters per second. Now, this is the velocity of man. How much they told? 5 root 3. Therefore, what is the velocity of minus Vm? Minus Vm also is nothing but 5 root 3. Now, this is the Vrm. Already we know that. Now, what is the magnitude of Vrm? The magnitude of Vrm is nothing but how much? Root of Vr square plus Vm square. That is nothing but how much? Root of 5 square plus, come on, say me, 5 root 3 whole square. That is nothing but root of, say me, 25 plus 5 square is 25 into 3 square is 3. 25 into 3 is how much? 75. 75 plus 25 how much? 100. Therefore root of 100. That is nothing but how much? 10 meter per second. That means when the speed of the man is increased to 5 root 3 meters per second, he will feel as if the rain is coming with a speed 10 meters per second. That is Vr. The man will feel as if the rain is coming with a speed 10 meters per second. Actually the rain speed is 5 only. But as he is having speed, further if he increases speed, what will happen? He will feel as if the rain is coming with more speed. Therefore, what is the velocity of rain with respect to man? That means the man will feel as if the rain is coming with a speed 10 meters per second. What's the direction? I am going to find the direction. Tan alpha. What is tan alpha? If I want to find alpha, what is it? Tan alpha is equal to Vr by Vm. That's nothing but 5 by 5 root 3. Therefore, nothing but 1 by root 3. When the tan value will be 1 by root 3, you guys know it. When the tan value will be 1 by root 3, when alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, what's the direction? The man will feel as if the rain is falling with a velocity 10 meters per second. In what direction? He will feel as if the rain is falling with an angle 30 degrees. Alpha is how much? 30 degrees. With horizontal. That means the man will feel as if the rain is falling with a speed 10 meter per second in 30 degrees with horizontal. 30 degrees with horizontal. That means what I can say? Direction. 30 degrees in which direction? This is south. This is west. 30 degrees of 30 degrees west to south. That means 30 degrees it is making with west and which direction? It is north or south? It is south. That is the direction. That means you will feel as if the rain is falling 30 degrees west with south. That is the answer. I think this is clear. Just if it is not clear, just recall the video. Just play back. You will understand everything. Okay, now we will see the next question. And this will be the last question and it will be a small, very small question. Okay. Okay, now we will see the next question, third question. And it is easy but very tricky question. Very tricky question. Usually no YouTubers will say this type of problems. No teacher will say this type of problems. Only very few teachers. Very few YouTubers. Because these are a little bit tricky. Students won't understand them. If students are not understanding them, then they won't see their videos. The views will be decreased. So for that case, they won't teach this type of problem. They will always go with the simple problem. That is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That's enough. If 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, every student will understand it. And every student will feel as if he is teaching well. But the thing is, he is not teaching anything. He is teaching only basics, which is not even sufficient for cracking NEET and JEE. which is not at all sufficient. So now I am not like that. I know that views are very less, but from my side as a teacher, I will give you everything to crack NEET and JEE. Even though the views are less, no problem. What I can do? But as a teacher, when I am teaching something, it should be perfect. I will give everything to crack NEET and JEE. Now we'll see the third question. Okay, now see the third question. The third question is very, very important. Okay, now see here. The velocity of wind is 15 meter per second along each direction. The velocity of wind is 15 meters per second along each direction, and the velocity of rain they had given us 20 meter per second vertically. 20 meters per second vertically. And now they told to find the resultant rain direction, or simply the resultant rain vector. Now say me, this is the velocity of rain. That is the velocity of rain. In which direction the wind is blowing? The wind is blowing towards east. That means like this. This is the velocity of wind. Now what is resultant? I think you know it practically. When the rain is falling vertically, when the wind started to blow in this direction, what will happen to the rain particles? The raindrops will fall in this direction because of the wind. The raindrops will move in that direction. That means the rain is falling vertically, but the wind is blowing in that direction. Therefore, the resultant of rain will be in this direction. Right? The resultant VR. The resultant of rain is equal to velocity of wind plus velocity of rain. The resultant VW A bar B bar. The resultant will be C bar. Which direction? Like this direction. This is the velocity of rain. The resultant velocity of rain. That means if you are standing on the ground without moving, just if you are standing on the ground, you will feel as if the rain is falling in this direction. Okay. Now, second point. Now, what is the VR? Velocity of wind is 15 meters per second east. That means I cap. Plus velocity of rain is 20 meter per second. Which direction vertically? That means minus j. That is the velocity of resultant velocity of rain. I think it is clear. Okay, well and good. Now, assume this is making some angle alpha. Now, tan alpha is equal to how much? Tan alpha is equal to perpendicular by base, that is velocity of wind by velocity of rain. That is nothing but 20. So, 15 by 20. That is nothing but 3 by 4. What is alpha? When the tan alpha, when the tan value will be 3 by 4. That alpha is when it is 37 degrees. That means you will feel when you are standing on the ground without moving. That means velocity of u is 0. That means simply you are standing on the ground. You will feel as if the rain is falling in this direction, making an angle 37 degrees with vertical. Well and good. Now they told, second point. The man started to walk. The man started to walk. The man started to walk with a speed. With speed 5 meters per second. With speed 5 meters per second towards west direction. Towards west. Till now in previous two problems we have seen the man is walking east direction. But now we are seeing the man is walking west direction. Now they told to find the velocity of rain with respect to man and its magnitude and its direction. They told to find the velocity of rain with respect to man and its direction. Now can you see here? This is the velocity of man. West direction. And now what is the velocity of rain? The velocity of rain you should not take this one. Why? Because of the wind, the velocity of rain is moved that side. This is the velocity of rain now. This is the velocity of rain with vertical. This is the velocity of rain. Now what we are, that means, what is it? velocity of rain with respect to man, which is nothing but velocity of rain minus velocity of man. What is velocity of rain? Already we got. What is that? 15 I cap minus 20 j cap. 15 I cap minus 20 j cap. Now what is Vm? Velocity of man west. The velocity of man is how much? Minus 5 I cap. Usually till now we have taken 5 I cap, but now velocity of man is west, that means minus I cap. Minus of minus becomes plus. Plus 5 I cap. Therefore what is the answer? 20 I cap minus 20 j cap. That is velocity of rain with respect to man. Now same, just think. You think, finally I got what is velocity of rain with respect to man? The result. Now you think, in which direction the rain will fall? Vrm is equal to Vr minus Vm bar. I am writing this minus as plus of minus Vm bar, right? Can I write like this? That means Vrm is a resultant of Vr and minus Vm. That means minus Vm will be in this direction. Minus Vm. This is minus Vm, this is Vr. The resultant will be in which direction? This will be the resultant, Vrm. Making some angle, assume beta. Making some angle, beta. Now what is a beta? If I want to find this beta, what I have to do? I got the vector. What is the beta? The magnitude is root of 20 square plus 20 square, that is 20 square plus 20 square, that is nothing but 20 root 2 meter per second. That means the man will feel as if the rain is falling with 20 root 2 meters per second. Well, in which direction? In which direction? Tan beta. Tan beta. This is Vrm. What is Vrm? 20 I cap and this is 20 minus 20 j cap downwards. Now if they want to find this one beta. Now what is beta? Tan beta is equal to 20 by 20. 20 by 20 means nothing but 1. Therefore what is beta? When the tan value will be 1, when it is 45 degrees. That means the man will feel as if the rain is falling with a velocity 20 root 2 meters per second, and in which direction? He will feel as if the rain is falling at an angle 45 degrees with east. That means I can say simply 45 degrees means direction is how much? Direction is simply east south. That means southeast direction. With the magnitude 20 root 2 and in which direction? In southeast direction. So southeast means nothing but 45 degrees. I think this question is clear. If you are having any doubt, just revise the video. And this is important. We should not take VR rain. We should take VR. Why? Because this is a resultant rain. We should take this. We should not take VA rain. If we take this, answer will be wrong. Okay, next video we will see about the aircraft wind problem. Only one problem we are going to see, and that is very huge problem only for JEE students and advanced students, not for NEET students. Okay? And if any doubts, you can ask me in my mail which is given in the description. With no time I will give you the reply. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.